Medical accounting made easy with AusBiz MediLink. I don't have to tell you just how complex medical accounting actually is. There's a lot of things you've got to be able to handle. Self-employed doctors, employed doctors, Medicare and DVA, all of the other payment types, refunds, adjustments, reversal credits, advance payments. Only obtainable through multiple best practice reports. And then of course there's a sheer volume of data that has to be entered. And at the end of it, it's got a balance to the cent. The difference is with AusBiz MediLink, we create the transactions in MyObOZero from data that is supplied to us by best practice. And we can do in minutes what it would take you hours to achieve. So how do you run this process? Let me just walk you through. The first thing you do is you actually create an export in best practice, which is then made available to our program. You simply then click the Process Data button. A form pops up which says these are the debtor receipts that we're about to process. You need to check that against a best practice report to make sure that we're both working with the same figures. If everything is correct, you simply continue. A form pops up then which gives you the opportunity to confirm your banking. You simply check that that is correct, make any changes if required, and again hit the OK button and the process continues. And quite frankly, that's all you have to do. We then create the transactions in MyObOZero. The first thing is all the debtors, the debtor charges, debtor receipts, and then all of the money that you've received. There's two things that people want from an importing process. The first thing is accuracy. You need 100% accuracy, and we can prove that that's what we give, because what we've got going in will match these best practice reports. And the second thing that everyone wants is to save time. Our process will do literally in minutes what takes hours and hours of a bookkeeper's time to enter manually. And this is why we say that we may not make it less complex, but what we can do is make it much easier to enter the entries into MyObOZero.